Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we're going to make this little earring using products from the Bargain Bead Box September 2022 edition. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is Proverbs 12:20, and it is joy fills hearts that are planning peace. That is a good proverb. Okay, so here's what you're going to need if you want to make this beautiful little earring. You're going to need 2 of the owl charms out of the box this month, 2 of the carnelian faceted rounds, 2 of these twist beads, 4 of the little garnet rounds, 6 of the little hessonite garnet faceted rounds, 2 of the little leaf beads, 2 very tiny, these are 4mm jump rings, 2 ball post ear wires, 2 eye pins, and 2 ball head pins. Okay, I'm sorry, 4 eye pins, 4 ball head pins. That's what you're going to need. So we're making this right here. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take our carnelian bead, put it right here on this eye pin, and make a loop. Bend 90 degrees. Where are my cutters? Here they are. Trim this off. And we're going to roll a loop. Okay, right like this. This is a very easy little pair of earrings. Quick and easy. We're going to open this bottom one. We're going to put our owl charm right on there and close it right back up. Okay, so there's what you got so far. Now we're going to take our ball head pins, and I'm going to take the hessonite garnet rounds, and I'm going to put one on the bottom. I'm going to put my leaf charm little bead on, leaf bead, and one of these on the top. And we're going to make a wrapped loop. So you want to bend this 90 degrees. You want to get a good grip on it like I didn't just do in the bend, and come up and over. Then we're going under. I'm going to grab this with my chain nose pliers, and with my other chain nose pliers, or my bent nose pliers, I'm going to wrap. And you only have to go around a couple times. I mean, you can wrap around as much as you want, but you just need enough to really secure it. That's it. And I'm going to trim that off. Now for our other one, we're taking the garnet 4mm round, and then this little faceted one, if I can find the hole, just like that, and we're going to create another wrapped loop. Up and over, rotate up, come under, grab here, and wrap. 1, 2, going around 3 times, trim off. Okay, now we're going to take our little 4mm jump ring, and we are going to put on our leaf bead, then this other, whoops, fell right off, didn't he? That one, then this one, and we're going to hook it right here onto this little, nope, actually we're not. I lied. I'm sorry. We're going to make this next piece first. Lay those aside. Sorry guys. It hooks onto this one. Okay, so we're going to take this one, put this bead on, and then our little garnet bead on top. Just like that. We are going to make a regular loop, not a wrapped loop. Just a regular little loop here. Roll this back. I'm going to go ahead and put my ear wire on. Close that right up. Oops. There we go. Get on there. Close that right up. Now we're going to connect this one to this, but this needs to hang on this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just connect it to my owl. I want to make sure, if I can, I try to hang these. The owlet doesn't matter. You know, it's double-sided, so it doesn't really matter. But I do want my other beads when I hang them on here to kind of be hanging in the right direction. So let me fix this. Okay, there we have that. Now, I'm going to put these back on the jump ring. Okay, and they're hanging on this one on the outside, so I want to make sure they hang over here on the outside. So I'm just going to insert that on and close it right up. Make sure you get your rings closed up really good. It's hard to tell sometimes. And there we have it. So we've got our little owl bead. Try to lay it out here. It's very dangly, very cute. And I've made a lot of jewelry out of this month's bargain bead box. So I will try to link some of those videos below, but they all kind of coordinate. So there it is. Turned out super cute. I really like these. I love this month's box. It was really nice. I think that I've used just about everything I can out of it now. So we'll see. I may have enough beads for something like a memory wire bracelet or something. We'll see. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And I will have all the information for Bargain Bead Box linked in the description box below if you're interested in subscribing. I do have a $2 off coupon, so you can check that out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.